What's good, boys? I'm going to teach you guys how to do a burnout in your automatic Mustang GT here. All right, first step, let's go ahead and head inside the car. All right, for number one, you're going to have to go ahead and turn your traction off. This button right here, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. And they should get something on the screen here in a second. Advanced track off, press OK. All right, second step, you want to go ahead and put the car either in drive or sport. Either one is okay. Sport probably gonna sound a little bit better, but I'm just gonna have it on drive for now. Third step, it's gonna be handed to the main menu. Get down to track apps and then line lock. All right, as you can see here, line lock. Hopefully the camera gets that. And then you want to go ahead and press this OK button all the way until it fills all the way up. And then next step will be applying brakes, all right, and holding it down. So brakes is down there, press all the way in, and wait till that bar fully fills in, and then press OK while holding the brake, all right? Boom, and you can hear that little noise. Now you got 15 seconds to do a burnout. Next step would just be pressing the gas button all the way for next 15 seconds, all right? That's pretty much how you do a burnout. We gotta get the fuck out of here. All right, boys, that's pretty much it here. We gotta get the fuck out of here before someone snitch or cop pulls up, man. Let's get the heck out of here.